Lotto result 5 p.m. draw February 19, 2026 Thursday. 2D Lotto draw first is 20, second is 31. 5 p.m. 2D Lotto draw first is 20, second is 31. Like, share, comment and subscribe now. 3D Lotto draw result 3D Lotto draw result 5, 0 and 4. 5 p.m. draw result 3D Lotto 5, 0, 4. Like, share, comment and subscribe now.